We got up early this morning and we are on a pontoon about ready to head out and swim with the sharks. Just kidding. We ain't swimming with the sharks, but we're probably going to have some beers and enjoy the sun because I haven't got enough yet on this trip. Uh-oh. Here we go. No, yeah, right. I don't get any of my thing monetized. I have too much K-pop on it. This is something perfect to do on a Saturday, right? Like, it's snowing in Minnesota right now. We're in Clearwater, Florida, on a pontoon in the sun at 9 a.m. Uh-oh.
We're in Clearwater, we gotta do it. Yeah, I know. I get paid for it then.
Rob, how's breakfast?
What?
How's breakfast? The water's fine. Rob's looking sexy in cinematic form.
I haven't heard this shit since like... We're on a boat, motherfucker. Who are we singing this to? Nobody's around. Just so everybody knows, we're on a boat. We're on a boat. Did you know we're on a boat? Did you know this is a boat? This is a boat. I got my swim trunk and my flippy floppies. Oh, there we go. On a boat.
Don't worry, alcohol's coming. See, she don't even notice it yet.
Kicking the door, waving the cocoa. popcorn이는 챙겨 껴들 생각 말고. I talk the talk, runways I walk. 눈 감고 pop pop, 안 봐도 turn.
You did it for me. You played me one song.
하나에 다 무너지는 중. 가짜 show 지금 화려해. It makes no sense. You couldn't get a dollar out of me.
So our first stop off the boat is a state park that you can only get to by boat. And we saw that there's common rattlesnakes here, so we got to be careful. Shakira would probably never come here. But the ladies have been shelling at the beach that we're at, like trying to pick up some good shells. And we heard that this beach over here has some good shelling. So let's go fight the rattlesnakes for some shells. And we're so early, it's not even 10 a.m. yet, and we are the only people on this island besides one other person that we've seen so far. So maybe the rattlesnakes got them, or maybe we're just early enough. Where's the beach? Okay. You guys, I don't think we're gonna find enough chairs for us. Oh, a beach ball.
Well, I got
We found the beach.
I'm going down, boys.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, quicksand. Quicksand. Save him. Save him. Oh, no. Oh, no. Well, it's nice knowing you, Nick.
Cassie likes to shell. I like it too, but it's not fun.
It's beautiful. I like that there's nobody here right now. And the water is not fine here. It's pretty fucking cold.
Hey. Fine.
Up. You found something.
Oh, there's a rock going down.
Oh, it wasn't even a live snail or anything? Crab? Is it? Maybe it is. He was moving, wasn't he? Is he hiding in there?
Yeah, they hide in the shells.
We're not here. Continue on.
Go about your business.
Ah.
Oh shit, I'm sinking. Look at the SOS.
Nick.
Look at Nick. Nick's down. We got big problems here.
I can't get
You're
out.
gonna find a bird like a stingray and
Well, have fun with the rattlesnakes.
see you, Nick.
They won't come down here, right?
Sunburned up.
Isn't he adorable?
Not really. I wouldn't say adorable. I mean, he's small. Can I flick him?
No.
I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that. Why does he look like he's just dead? He's not moving.
Because he's mad at me for
He's
picking
scared.
him up.
He's probably mad at Nick for messing with his football or whatever the fuck that
He
is.
was over here, and they put him back. Oh, what?
He doesn't want to leave you.
There we go.
Blackpink in your area. Blackpink in your area. Again, it's pink once the sun down. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown.
Let me get the guns out.
The water's green out there. Damn. It's green all the way down. Whoa. I think this is where we're going swimming. All this is green because it's shallow. There's people standing out there. How's the water, Rob?
It's fine. It's fine. My phone's gonna be out. Oh, it's fine. What? You got a couple hours. About an hour.
We found some shallow, clear water. This beach used to go from here all the way down, but fucking hurricanes.
Anything over waist deep, try to stay waist deep because anything over that, the current will wipe you away.
Okay. Current's bad over waist deep. Waist deep to go to the bathroom, and that's it. I'm looking tan, but not jacked yet. I gotta work on it. This is nice. Did he say good luck? Look at what they found.
Is it moving?
Oh yeah. How's it feel?
We're
Ooh.
swimming in. Yeah. I should have put my hat on.
Wow.
I'm gonna go grab my hat. Yeah,
Wow.
No, I know. No.
What does it feel like, huh?
Feels like a rock.
Yeah. I don't know if we're supposed to. Are we supposed to touch those? I don't know, but it's cool.
You can touch it, maybe. Because you're only allowed to touch the.
Is he angry?
No,
Because at the Mall America, you know, like touch the top side.
yeah.
Well, James just broke the law.
That's the bottom side?
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy. Or girl.
You touch the bottom.
Touch their privates.
Touch the badge.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Can you hold it? I know you have.
Yeah, I can for sure.
Thank you.
It's warm, bro.
That's not that warm. It'll be gone in no time.
Here you go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, this is a nice Saturday morning. It's a nice area. At first, I was weary about this boat ride because it was gonna be 4 hours. Last time I was in the Gulf on a boat, I was completely hungover and threw up overboard, and was just motion sickness and hungover, and so I had bad memories. But now this will give good memories because it's been relaxing. We play our own music.
Gorgeous.
They played some K-pop for me.
gorgeous weather.
And now the weather's great. The water's fine.
The girls are having fun. The boys are having fun.
And we got good company, so. And drinks.
Whoa.
Why are you crying? Did you put it in too deep? Is that where your lashes go? We're a little far from the boat, but I mean, how far can we walk here? Like, this is crazy.
How it drops off, man.
I know, it's great though. Like, there's so much area to walk. Like,
I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. I'm on vacation. That I'm used to. Yeah, I've been pulling out into water, feel like nothing's gonna come.
we finished our boat ride, had to scramble for a bathroom because the Civic Center, whatever area we were in, was closed. So when we scrambled, we ended up right next to Hogan's Hangout. So that's where we're gonna head for some lunch, I think. Hogan's Hangout, which is right here. So let's go.
Ice cream here at Hogan.
Look like he's been out in the sun a little bit too much. We went to Hogan's restaurant in his shop, bought some shit. Now we're again looking for a bathroom on the way back. I think me and the sun have become one now. My skin might be angry, or I just might be embarrassed that only half of it got. It's gonna turn out to a good tan though. But yeah, we're headed back. Could probably relax a little bit at the Airbnb and then get ready to go out again tonight. Which I think I need to change a little bit because I'm wearing hats with pineapples. We finally had another guest show up. Cornelius made it. He drove all the way from Orlando. All the traffic just in time for some beer cake.
Oh, I told him what someone do. I told Caleb that.
It's actually pretty bad. But I figured of the three.
Vlogging again.
Nope, never.
No.
But I figured of the three, you were the
We knew
most
you were gonna come. Yes.
The most surefire. I mean, you came to the fucking bachelor party, you came to the fucking wedding. Senior state.
Those two marks didn't come.
Oh!
All right. There's a few of us today that got burned by the sun. Right, Rob? Right?
Yeah, kind
A
of.
few of us that got burned by the sun today. This guy wasn't one of them.
No.
Go figure.
Here.
Cornelius wasn't burned by the sun.
Here.
I had my left arm driving it the whole time.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
3 hours or whatever it was.
But I'm trying to catch up to Cornelius. I got a ways to go.
You trying to get pulled over every now and then.
He said I'm trying to get pulled over. Okay, maybe not quite caught up to Cornelius. Oh, fucking, we're back here tomorrow. We're back here tomorrow. But right now we're heading to the edge again. Oh wait, no, we're not heading to the edge. We're going to where we had breakfast and had drinks last night. So let's go.
I don't think there's any cross.
No, you gotta cross here and then cross. Go. What? Do this?
Yeah, I'm not gonna walk in front of that guy.
Nope.
Right behind a cop, he'll hit me.
That's a yellow cab.
Back to Jimmy's, back to Jimmy's. Oh yeah, people are waiting already. We'll see. I'm guessing an hour wait. See if our fun host is here today. Nope, we might be able to get in. It's busy.
Oh yeah, that does.
Another dirty banana. Bushwhacker right here. Bushwhacker. Thank you. All right, so far breakfast at this place was the best, but I'm gonna tell you one thing: the drinks, it's not where it's at. This is a Bushwhacker. It's supposed to have rum and some other alcohol in it, and it tastes like there's no alcohol. It just tastes like milk, milk and ice. How's your daiquiri, Rob?
It's alright.
Tastes like there's alcohol in it.
Yeah.
Or maybe they gave you the alcohol one on accident.
Nick will be shitting his.
He found a crown. Jimmy's. I think I'm in trouble. We have no room. I have my crab legs, my shrimp, my steak. He has his food. Now I got a bucket coming. Okay, thank you. Well, I made many mistakes in life, and this is definitely one of them. The other drinks that we got tasted just like milkshakes. Didn't taste like there's any alcohol in it. This tastes just like alcohol. Only alcohol, and I have a lot more to drink. So, the vlogs are either going to end abruptly or get really good tonight, so we'll see how it goes. Well, the sun's taking these guys out, so we'll have 3 people going out still because the sun defeated half of our crew, so they're going back to bed because
I'm not going to bed. I'm just not gonna.
either way, it's no fun to be out when you don't want to be, so they're going back. And we might go back up to the rooftop, so. We got more of the crew coming with than I thought. We're heading back up top. We may be sleeping up there, but we're heading back up. At Alcohol, a place with good vibes and friends from years and years ago. And this is great. Catching up, pro wrestling memories, reenacted a picture. I'll post it here. That was 17 years difference, or 16 or 18 years difference. Having a great time. Oh, this is a good song. This is a good song. We did 2 buckets of this. We reminisced. Oh, yeah, this shit, dude. Back when I used to listen to Romanian radio station all the time, this shit was my jam, man. So, Rob, what do you think of these? You like these, huh?
Not bad. Not bad. I'm tired.
You're tired, but you know, it's good. Yeah, no, it's fine. Maybe we'll walk you back if you can hang out long enough.
I'm getting tired.
Yeah, I know.
Cooked me.
But yeah,
But I'm here.
you've been in the sun all day.
I'm here.
You've had a rum bucket
Yep.
earlier in the day.
3.
We've had these.
footballs, 3 of these.
Let's not flaunt all your girly drinks. We're good.
I don't care.
I know, me neither.
Strawberry daiquiri and 1 Coors Light.
we all drink like girls, but we had this. We reminisced. We reenacted a photo with Prophet. Prophet left to go back to his wife. We're still hanging out a little bit. It's not as lively as it was the night before,
Still funny.
but you know what, dude? It's all about the company. It's a great time. Rob's sleeping upstairs, but we're all back and we're hanging out at the Airbnb, which is great. I love that we can all be in the same place. It's the first time I've been buzzed on the trip, and I'm having a good time. What have I been doing this whole time? Because I'm vlogging. You want to remember this trip or no?
Okay, I appreciate that, but I don't even see your face most of the time.
But
Yeah, I don't give a shit what you put a vlog. It's fine. You want to vlog me taking a shit later? You can. I don't care.
maybe not, but maybe. I will see.
I'll bring it in with me.
Depends if it's a good one or not.
Fucking YouTube hits will go through the roof when they see my shit. Why is he white from the front?